From the equipment list in our Equipment mobile app, we chose the 7200R. And now we are in the Resources section. Resources is where the user can view parts diagrams and part numbers specific to the equipment model selected and specific to the serial number of that model selected. Once redirected to Deere part site, the user can edit or select the local dealership. On the equipment parts page, the user can now research part items by category or use the keyword search. We will search for filters and then reference the filter overview. The overview feature with the parts diagrams is an excellent tool, especially for combines. Researching an S7900, I can use the overview section and choose belts. I now have a diagram of the belt locations and their part numbers for the left and right hand side of the machine. Back to the 7200R, I have located the filter that I need. Through this parts diagram, I can add it to my cart and use the John Deere Shop feature. Navigating to my cart, it'll let me know if that part is available for same-day pickup. It is available for same-day pickup. I will choose this option and complete the checkout. Instead of using Deere's site to purchase a part, I can copy this part number and transition to the Gooseneck gateway. Once logged in to the gateway, I can paste the part number of the filter and search. I can now add this part item to my cart, view my cart and the availability, and then check out or purchase the part item from my selected store. Back to Equipment Mobile, I can close out of the parts book by selecting Close in the top left corner.